Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to give our desktop a new look with Japanese theme. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the desktop and select a view and select this show desktop icons, and right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Taskbar items, expand it and search. Click on this search icon only. Under here you just need to disable everything guys, like task view, widgets, everything disable it. After that scroll down under taskbar behavior, expand it. Taskbar alignment to sender, select it and just close stuff here. Now check my video description for these four links. First, download the transparent TB. Select view in store option. Select open Microsoft Store and it will be open up. After getting download and select the open option and open it. After that, now download the RoundedTB as well. Select view in store, open Microsoft Store. In my country, the RoundedTB is not available. I downloaded website. You can download it in Microsoft Store. After getting download done, you just need to open it. After opening this RoundedTB, this will open up like this or here. Click on the drop down and just right click on the RoundedTB and select show RoundedTB and margin type 3 and corner radius type 7. Select the advanced option, dynamic mode, checkmark it, show system tray on hover, transparent TB compatibility, checkmark as I do, fill taskbar when minimized. After checkmarking all of these, select apply to save changes and just to close stuff here. Now you just need to install the rain meter. You just need to check my video description for this download link. Select the download option and download it. Select the downloaded file and install it. Select install. After getting done, select the finish option and now it will pops up like this. Right click on it and select download skin. Do the same thing for here as well. Now download the themes, Japanese theme. Select the download option over here and it will start downloading. After getting download and select this folder icon, right click on the download file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract and double click on the Japanese theme and right click on the wallpaper and select set as desktop wall background. And now just double click on the fonts and just select both of it, right click and select show more options and select install. And this will install this fonts. And now you just need to go back to Japanese theme, right click on double click on the rain meter folder, copy this two folders like this and go to documents, double click on the rain meter folder, double click on skin, just paste in here. And now again go to downloads, Japanese theme folder, and now double click on the for music skin, just to copy this Spotify underscore over here, just like this. And now just close stuff here. Just minimize it, click on this system tray and you can able to see rain meter. Just right click on it and select manage. Select refresh all and expand the date and select date skin.ini and select load. Do the same thing for music player, expand it, player.ini, select load. And now select the edit option next to it. Now you just need to scroll down under measure artist. You just need to paste this Spotify we copied, Spotify text. Same thing for measure title. Just paste in player name and select the file and select save option and just close stuff here. Just minimize this. This will go inside this system tray. Now just drag and drop here like this. Now you are listening. Just drag and drop like here. Select the system tray and right click on the rain meter and select manage. Expand this music player and select player.ini. Now select this refresh option and that will refresh the code we added. Now you just need to minimize it and play any song. Now you are listening to Harish Jayaraj Varayo Varayo song, and this is the final look guys, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.